I'm a teacher, and sometimes I'd like nothing more than to punch a kid right in the face and laugh.
I'm a kindergarten teacher. I like to predict the future of my students based on their looks and how they behave.
As a teacher, I often play matchmaker for my students when I assign them partners for projects.
I'm a teacher, and I grade harsher when I don't like the student.
I'm a high school teacher, and I wish I could tell my students how dumb they're being. Seriously, I don't know what they're going to do in life.
As a teacher, I find it hard to be nice to the popular girls because I hated them when I was at school.
I'm currently drinking a mixed drink out of a coffee mug at work. I'm a teacher.
It pisses me off that the rich kids I teach will easily surpass me in the future.
I'm a teacher and I smoke weed every day. Those damn kids stress me out.
I'm a teacher and I can't stand my students. All they do is talk badly about each other.
I'm a teacher who also happens to run a porn blog.
I'm a teacher, and I hate it when my students tell me about their lives because I honestly don't care.